Hello class, and thanks for watching my presentation. I'm going to tell you why dogs are far more superior to cats. The first and best reason is that dogs are affectionate. When they see their owner, or generally even people in the public when they're out on a walk, they're lovable. They love people, they wag their tail, you can tell that they're happy and excited. Cats, on the other hand, they're generally grouchy, aloof, uninterested, and it doesn't really matter who they're dealing with. Dogs also can be trained. Dogs can roll over and sit, we've all seen that. But dogs can also be trained to sniff drugs. Dogs can be alert dogs for seizures or heart attacks, time to take your medicine. They can also lead the blind. Dogs are very adaptable to the training that they receive. Cats, on the other hand, you can train them to use a litter box, and generally that's about it. Dogs are great with children. Dogs can also take commands. Dogs learn the language and the inflection of their owners. You can know, the dog knows when an owner is upset, knows when it's happy, knows when it's time to be excited. Cats, on the other hand, again, flat affect. They sleep for sometimes up to 16 hours a day, which means they're low maintenance, but it also means they're not a very interactive pet. And when I think of a pet, I think of something that I can interact with. Dogs are also great when it comes to being outside. Dogs can be outside running around off-leash. They can help hunting. They can be adaptable in their environment. Cats, on the other hand, generally either inside or outside. And if they're outside for a long period of time. They're not around. And you don't see your pet for 3 or 4 days at a time. And not having that dependence on people means that they're kind of off doing their own thing and they don't really care about you. Dogs can also be kept inside. Cats, again, can climb fences, they can get out, they can be around, but cats, they can leave, they can just disappear for days at a time. Dogs also are very good when it comes to security. If there's a window or they hear people, they hear something, they bark, they alert, they can understand that something isn't right, there's people here. So it's great for a situation with burglars and whatnot. Cats, again, they're uninterested, they don't really care what's going on. And the best thing, again, going back to affection, is that dogs, when they see their owners, they have 5 times the level of oxytocin that cats do. Now, oxytocin is considered the love chemical that our brain releases when we're in love. That's why you get blinded by love. Dogs have 5 times more oxytocin released in their blood than cats do. Cats, they don't care. They not only in their affect, but cats don't care in their brain chemistry and their blood. So dogs, they're affectionate, they can be trained, they can take commands, they can be outside, they are kept inside when they're in a secure fencing area. Dogs can be used for security, and also dogs, again, they love their masters, they are excited to see you, and that's why dogs really far more superior than cats. Thanks for listening, have a good day.